Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another beautiful day. Today we're gonna hunt down some electronics that we can take home and take apart. We are in Port Charlotte after the Hurricane Ian. All right, let's go. Hey, garage opener. Whoa, that's a big plow. Huh. I'll check this out. I think there's a motor in here, so I'm gonna take this. Hey, there's some Pokemon here. That is so cool. I remember those days. That's a lot of stuff. Mountains. Some kind of board. That's pretty cool. I'll take that. Hey, this one. That's pretty cool. I'll take some of that. I think that's all I'm gonna take here. So this card is mine. Hey. Just plastic. That's a lot of damage though. A lot of damage to this community. Hey, you want me to buckle up? Is that what you're asking me? It's a lot of glass. Broken glass. Hey, what is that? What is this? Oh, it's a cage. It's an animal cage. I thought it was some kind of heater or air conditioner. I'm seeing things. Oh, there's a unicorn over there. Right here. Hey, unicorn. Hey, there's a fan. I'm gonna get that. I'll take the fan. That motor looks nice. I think I'm gonna scout. Look at that broken stone, dude. Interesting. So we'll take a look at that here. Okay. Let's keep going. That was kind of awkward. They pulled in and I was kind of digging in their stuff. No, that's not awkward. It's beautiful. Hey, slow down. Hey, there's a fan over there. I'll take that. Are you a fan? Yes, you are a fan. Has a motor in it. I'm gonna do a video taking fans apart. Welcome to the family. Whoa, whoa, slow down, slow down, slowly. Slowly. Hey. That's a big TV. I got plenty of those. Most of it is just the debris. It's not really scrap or electronics. It's just the debris from the hurricane. Hey, a stroller. That's kind of cool. Hey, a shop vac. You got motor in there? I'll take the top part, I think. I'll take this. I got motor in it. Hey, that's a lot of scrap. What is that? I'm gonna take a walk. Let's go take a walk. Hey. There's nothing really here. Hey, there's a TV over there. That's cool. Hey, that's a lot of stuff. What do you have, pile of scrap? This pile looks interesting. Hey, that's a nice audio system. Can I take it out though? I don't know. Can I take this out? It's Looks really nice though. I don't want to get hurt. I don't want to get hurt. I'm not gonna touch it. It was a nice audio system. Hey, what is this? Hey, what are you? You know, I'll take this. I don't know what this is, but I'll take it. Ugh. We will find out. And this, it's a mystery box. On the wheels. It's a box on the wheels. Hey, there's another vacuum cleaner. Hey, blue gold nugget. You look exciting. There's definitely a motor here. I think so. I'll take you anyways. Welcome. This pile looks interesting. I'm gonna take a walk. Hey, that's kind of cool. Hey, there's a motor right here. Can I take this out? That's a small TV. Nothing exciting. And some cool stuff. Okay. Cool. I want to see what kind of box is this. Okay, cool. Hey, there's a fan over there. I'll take you. Where are you? Yeah, that looks pretty cool. I'll definitely take you. Welcome to the family of fans, where your days are limited. I'll check out this pile. That is a big TV. Hey, what is that thing? It looks like a printer. Is this a printer? I think so. I'll take this. Why not? Why not? Hey, a vacuum cleaner. It's so tiny. You know, oh, it's a shark. That's a shark. You're kind of heavy. I have a lot of vacuum cleaners. I'm gonna make a nice video taking you apart. And you, and you. Welcome. What is that thing? Let's check it out. Oh, that's a microwave, I think. Man, that thing is huge. It's too big for my taste. That's a lot of stuff. Look at all this stuff. 3D printer. I got a bunch of those. There's a lot of stuff. Hey, that thing looks interesting. Hey, that's a TV. Cool. It's a lot of furniture. Hey, it's a TV. Cool. Hey, it's up and back. I'm gonna grab that one. I'm gonna end the video here. This was a pretty good run. We found a lot of stuff, and there was mountains and mountains of stuff. So all those people where we went through was mostly were mobile homes. So during the hurricane, their roofs got ripped off, and there was a lot of rain with the hurricane, so their drywalls and ceilings got soaked and collapsed, and their furniture got destroyed. So it breaks my heart to see all that destruction. It kind of sucks. So they lost a lot of things in value. So what did we get? A lot of fans, quite a bit of vacuum cleaners, and some more stuff that has motors in it. So I don't know what this is. I am gonna take it apart eventually. So I am gonna make a separate video for all of the fans to see what kind of motor is in there. So this community is brand new community. It's been built right now. I mean, these are brand new houses. So the housing market is kind of collapsing in a way right now. So loan rates are almost unaffordable. So I don't know how they're gonna sell these properties unless they are already sold or they are under a contract and they have a buyers. Cool. So another beautiful sunset. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.